Hi and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a little tutorial on how I am going to be making some cards for my Bambi journal. I just found these cards in my stash with letters on them. You can pick out the letters that you want. You could make your own and just, make the size you want. So I will be starting out with the letter T, and what I'm going to be doing is just gluing this little writing front. I just cut out or ripped out a piece of paper from this writing pad, and I'm going to be just gluing it on here, and that is my tag, and then or my card, and then I'm just going to be cutting that out, or that excess off. And then since this is a T, this will be for Thumper. So I have some little stickers here, and this is little Thumper, so I'm just going to be sticking him on there. And let me just pull the back off. I like to reinforce it with just a little bit of glue, just so that he stays on for sure. And there we have Thumper. I might take that little question mark off. I don't know why he's got the little question mark there, but I just think it looks better with it off. So there is our little T for Thumper. Now I have a B here, and you all know what that is going to be for Bambi, right? So we're going to glue that on. And I probably could have just shown you one and you would know how to do it, but you know me, always going overboard. And then I've got an F here, and I'll just quickly do that one too since I've got it here. And that will be for what? What do you think the F will be for? If you said flower, you are right. And then I have one more here, and that is the O, and it is for the owl, because he was a major part of the story. Now you could do more characters if you wanted to. You could do Bambi's mother, Thumper's mother, and lots of characters if you want to. But I just thought I would do these ones for now, and it's an equal amount. It's 4 of them. So, and then I will make little pockets for them in the journal. So this is for the owl, for Mr. Owl here. And I think I'm just going to cut off the tree part there too. Just make it plain. And these stickers, I ordered them on AliExpress, and I cannot seem to get that one off. And at first I was thinking of putting it in the middle there, but I think I'll just keep them all the same. Do it down here like that. So there's Thumper and the owl, and F is for flower. There we go. And then B is for Bambi. And there was a really cute one of Bambi sticker there. I loved it. It's of him being his little sleepy self when he was just born. I thought it was so adorable. So I thought I would put that one on. And we'll do flower first. Okay, my nails are so short. I need to do something with my nails. Maybe that'll be my next project. There's flower, so cute. And this is the one I'm talking about for Bambi. He is so adorable on here. I love it. I just love the Bambi one. And here we go. There we go. That's them. And then I have a little bit of washi tape here, and I also ordered this from AliExpress. You can maybe put it on the back just to make it a nice finished card. I was also thinking I could put it on the front, but I kind of like the way the card is finished there, so I'm just gonna put a little strip on the back here, and I'll just give that a nice cut when I'm done. Okay, okay. I just want them all facing the right way. Like so. And Thumper, he is so cute. Yeah, Thumper has been one of my family's favorite Disney movies. Bambi and The Lion King. They've been our favorite. We love those. Cinderella, even Billy, he loves to watch Cinderella over and over. There we go. And that's 4 little cards for the journal, made pretty quickly. And that way, like, say you have the extra letters too, like in your stash, and you don't know what to do with, the letter O. Well, you could do an owl. And the T could be Thumper, or whatever journal you're working on, or just the name of a plant, you could add that, or just the name of a character. One letter, could be a really neat little thing to add there. And I have another Bambi book that I have done in the past, and what I did with them was I can show you the cards that I made if I can quickly find one. Okay, where are you? See, this one, I did Thumper, and I had one of these big letters, but the other letters I had in the rub-ons, so I just used those. And let's see if I can, I know I made a couple of those for my book. And this one is the flower one. So yeah, you can make them any way you like. And if you let me know, I can show you how I made these too. Maybe with some other character or something like that. But this is what I thought I would do for today. And we can even do a little distressing, which would make the other side, probably just on the other side here, would make it a little cuter. And this is Stampin' Up, and this is Brilliant Blue. So I will just get my little jobber here. And this is a very handy little thing to have every, you know, that you have one for every color. It is so nice to have that. And just, yeah, put it back in there, and then it's ready to go for the next time that you need that color. And I think it just makes it look finished, you know, when you just ink it up a little bit. And you could do the sides here too, like here you see a little bit of white, and if you just go like that, it just finishes it up a little bit more. So yeah, I really thought this turned out great, and I just thought I would share that with you. When I come up with something new, I always love to share with people, and I'm sure this is not, you know, my I mean, this is, yeah, I did come up with this, but I know other ladies have done this probably too in the past, and I've just come across it myself. So yeah, there we go. And it didn't take long at all. If you have your card ready with the letter on there, then it even takes less time. But if you need to put the letter on there, just a little bit more work, but you know, well worth it. I think it's so pretty. So there are my cards, and now I will get to work on the pockets that I will put them in, and I will show you that when I get to that part. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.